Hey Amazon, welcome back to the campground, and today we're going to unbox and check out the Skidee red and black scooter. Now this is a kick scooter, this isn't an electrical scooter, but they're still pretty cool. And this one supposedly is good up to 220 pounds. Now I'm 210, so we'll find out how close that is. Let's pop it open and see what we got. Alright, so coming out of the box, this is exactly what it looks like. And it looks like it's going to be all one piece with no parts that I have to put together on it. So let me continue to pop it open and we'll see what we got. Alright, so before I fully got this unpacked, I did notice a couple things. One, you have a button down here that allows this to come up. When it's fully down, you have to press that button, otherwise it stays locked. Second, you're going to want to tighten this release lever. Otherwise, once you have it up, it can still go back down. Once I tighten it, no issues. Let me keep going. All right, so here it is all set up, and it's actually a pretty nice looking scooter. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I got the red and black. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of features on it. First, let's look at the handlebars. They can be raised or lowered. Right up front here, there's a small button. You press it in, and they can drop down and continue to drop down. Now, being 6'3", I'm going to test them with the handlebars all the way up. Next, look where the kickstand placement is. It's up front as opposed to in the back. So when you get off, all you got to do is slide your foot up front and you're all set up and ready to leave it. One of my favorite features on this is the hard rubber wheels. These are not filled with air, so you don't have to worry about a puncture or losing air or having enough air in them to hold somebody who's a little bit bigger like myself. The brake is also nice and long on it, so it's not going to be one that you miss when you go to step on it. You're going to get nice action on that and you're going to be able to stop. Now, as far as weight capacity goes, like I said, I'm 210 and it holds me. But one of the nicest things about it, it is collapsible. So you can put it in the back of your car, you can take it with you, and it's easy to take along anywhere. But what you really want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Absolutely. The scooter has a nice look to it. I like that it's collapsible. It holds my weight, and being 210, that's hard to find on a push scooter. It's got hard rubber wheels, so I don't have to worry about a pop or a puncture. It's just an all-around well-built scooter. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.